credit card in buying goods online. Before that, I would love to introduce to you to our group members. The first one is me. My name is Anis Umar Sofia binti Muhammad Razi. The second one is Aisha Fariha binti Hasik Jamalhan. The third one is Nurdiana binti Fairuf. And the last one is Nur Shazwati binti Kamaru Zaman. For your information, we are all from class 3 elites. This is the content that we have in this video. The first one is introduction. We will explain to you about what is credit card. The second one is the impact of using credit card in buying goods online. There's two types of impact, which is positive and negative. Our group members will explain to you about both of them. And the last one is conclusion.
What does a credit card mean? A credit card is a type of installment payment that you need to purchase goods or service without using cash at various types of stores around the world. When you use your credit card issuer will apply it for you and send you bills. In an example of commonly used credit cards are Visa and MasterCards. You are required to fill in the required minimum before the expiration date. The credit card issuer will charge the profit and the outstanding amount at the time of expiration. Thus, you had to fill in the required minimum including the profit that have been charged to you together.
The positive impact of using credit card in buying goods online. Firstly, earn rewards. Earn rewards with your spendings. For example, if you use a debit card, you get nothing back when you purchase something. You spend the money and it just gets deducted from your account. On the other hand, if you use a credit card, not only you will be offered cashbacks, but also cards that and points you can use for the next purchase. Second, get good services. Enjoy goods and services now and pay for them later. It can also be a more convenient option to use a credit card, as it can let you buy a product or service but not pay for it until payday rolls around.
Safe and secured. Online transactions are generally secured, especially when you are shopping with major retailers. But people do occasionally get their card's number stolen. If your number does get stolen, a stolen credit card number is much less of a hassle than a stolen debit card number. Get protection for your purchases. Let's say you buy a computer online and then see it for 40% off 2 weeks later, or your brand new computer gets stolen a month after you bought it. If you made a purchase with a credit card, then you may have some recourse in those scenarios. Maybe MasterCard and Visa cards and all American Express cards offer protection for just this type of situation.
The negative impact of using credit card in buying goods online. The first one is lead to bankruptcy. If you go on several spending sprees such as online shopping without a plan to pay them off, or your plans go awry because you lose your job or you get hit by medical bills, you may find yourself hopelessly in debt. Declaring bankruptcy will affect your credit score for up to 12 months, and when the report finally goes away, you have to build good credit all over again. Next one is high interest. Credit card interest rates are high, which makes your purchases more expensive. If you don't have the money to pay cash for something in the first place, you probably don't want to make it more expensive by adding interest to the price. If you buy an item for $1,000 and using a credit card with an 18% interest rate, for example, and make the minimum payment each month, you will end up paying $180 in interest after 1 year and still owe $946 on your purchase.
So next, frauds. It is easy for online stores to be elaborate scams. It is just as easy for the reverse to happen to merchants. Merchants trust that the payment information is an authorized users of that credit card. Armed with enough personal information on the credit card holder, anyone can use that card online. It is vital for the merchant to take all the steps to keep a record of online transactions in the event the credit card holder disputes the charge, which is also known as a chargeback. Lastly, overspending. When talking about pros and cons of credit cards, this is the classic downside. Some individuals can get easily carried away with their credit cards. This means creating a debt that is beyond their means to pay off. To conclude, credit cards have some impacts to certain people. As a responsible person, we need to be a smart credit card users. We have to use it for important things only, or else we will get more trouble by adding more
We
debt.
would like to thank Teacher Rin for teaching and guiding us throughout this project, and also thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you gain some useful information, and don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to this channel.